Hey guys, welcome back to Insanity Winter Stormy. So we're talking about an insane winter storm that's going to set up this weekend on Martin Luther King Day storm. So we got to be watching this thing out. This is something to pay attention to. The models are agreeing that a major winter storm is coming. So as of right now, this is what's going to develop. There's a potential ice storm in here around Fayette, but I don't believe that one. Yeah, I don't believe that either. They're both showing ice. So that snowfall is possible, but I don't believe that. I believe the snowfall, I just don't believe the ice potential with this storm. So we could see here, this came out this afternoon. I didn't know it would come out. We're going to watch this video because this... Let's turn this up a little bit.
Friday into Saturday, it is going to be strengthening, which presents an all-new set of challenges here. Enough energy this northeastward stability here too. Sees Saturday air, but again, north Saturday look at coming down forecast. Evansville, one major storm setting up Sunday.
I am believing this though. Mostly snow. This is what we want. We don't want ice. This is the worst thing in the world.
Of snow and ice and rain mixing in here along the I-95 corridor. Meanwhile, the interior sections are likely going to be seeing plain old snow here for western New York, the western half of Pennsylvania, out towards West Virginia. And then the possibility of a rapid freeze up to follow with another shot of colder air moving in behind it.
This is a common sight during a winter storm. Snowplows clearing the roads and trucks spreading salt to melt the ice. But according to the New York State Department of Transportation, the more effective method is to pre-treat the roads in advance.
This is a big snowstorm. You can see this area, swath of heavy snow potential here. Major winter storm. So this is something we're talking about. So. Areas include Memphis, Lexington, Nashville, Uniontown, Pittsburgh, New York. But areas that are going to likely see something I would not like ever is ice. Atlanta, Birmingham, Charlotte, Roanoke. Oh, good, you're on the edge of ice. You could get snow or ice. So this area is going to see snow. So.
What?
This storm could dump over a foot of snow, potentially. That's what's even crazy about this. This storm is going to dump over a foot. And look at this. It says here, you could see one. Oh my. Ooh, buddy. Snow is likely to fall duration of the storm. The parts of Appalachian a foot or more snow could pile up. Yeah. That's awesome, bro. This storm could actually have the potential to become the first major accumulating snow in years, people. So be ready for Winter Storm Hacther to bring this big swath of snow. I'm going to be posting this on my Instagram story and letting you all know. Look at this big swath of snow. That's what you're going to see. But the models are saying ice. Well, that ice threat with AccuWeather is making me happy. You know why? Because that ice is not going to impact us. And if that's the case, that's the thank God noticed. Because we don't want that. We want this. Because snow is better than we get a mixed bag of both. So that would not be a good sign to see. So at all, but that would not be a good sign. But New York, you're unlucky. Roanoke, you're somewhat lucky, but you're like on the edge between the ice. But where we're at, we're like in the heart of this storm. We're in the heart. This is this is a massive storm. It's even showing snow here as well. This storm, I'm not done yet. You can see here